Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, we're working on this Citroën DS5. It's the 2-litre diesel hybrid in the best engine, if you ask me. And if you're getting this, right, and you're getting this, in other words, you're getting the engine warning light, you're probably losing power, the car may not start. First thing first is the belt, which you need to change. I don't know what the cost will be depending on your local garages, which is the engine belt, shall we say. Once you've done that, you then come back to here. This won't clear until you reset it in the correct manner. By that, what we mean, so like if we try and clear it, it probably clears, but it'll come back after a minute. Irrelevant. So to ensure, if you're using the original Peugeot Citroën diagnostic software, that's fine. I'm using the Kingbolen K8 Pro, which is a very handy tool, which I'll put the link in if I don't forget, guys. And if we go into the hybrid system, so you've got, with Citroën and Peugeot, it's a bit funny how it works. So if you look at this, we've got these, there'll be many others as well that comes up. You've got engine system, you see, it's not going to be in the engine system, so it'll be in the hybrid control ECU1. I think you've got ECU2 as well, but that'll be triggered at, there you are, ECU2. But no, we need to get into this, and you see how it's permanent? So once you've changed the component, the part, which I'm not going to do in this video, it has been done, your warning will still come. So it says reactivation routine, replacement parts. We'll go into replacement parts. And what we recommend, having the ignition on rather than the engine running, because you're going to fool the car in that sense. So it says replacement of the accessories drive belt. That's what you need to change. And once you have, you'll need to do this, and this will reset the whole process. So it says initialization of the counter relating of the wear of the ancillary drive belt successful. Okay, done. That's it. Nothing else, guys. And then if we come back, and before, no matter how much you tried to clear it, it would not clear. I don't care how much you tried. Whereas obviously now, as you could, before it was coming up there, and now we're not.